Hey everyone! In this quick 4-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to create a survey using Monday.com, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll create a board, build a form, customize it, and share it with others. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new board. 1. Log into your Monday.com account. 2. On the left panel, click plus Add, New Board. 3. Choose Start from Scratch. 4. Give your board a name, for example, Customer Feedback Survey. 5. Choose Private or Shareable, depending on who should see it. 6. Click Create Board. This board will store all your survey responses. Step 2. Add columns. Every survey question will be a new column. 1. Click the plus icon to add a new column. Choose column types based on question format. Text column for open-ended responses, status column for multiple choice, drop-down column for choosing from a list, rating column for star ratings, and numbers column for numeric questions. Rename each column as a question, like how satisfied are you? What can we improve? Your email address. Step 3. Turn the board into a survey form. 1. At the top of the board, click Views, then Add View. Select Form. A survey form is now created automatically from your board questions. Inside the form, you can toggle questions on or off. You can edit labels, set required fields, and change descriptions. You can reorder questions by dragging. This is the survey your users will fill out. Step 4. Customize the survey design. Inside the form view, 1. Add a title and description for your survey. 2. Add a logo or header image if you want. 3. Change the theme color to match your brand. 4. You can preview the form before sharing. Make your form attractive and clear so people respond more. Step 5. Share the survey. Once your form looks good, 1. Click Share at the top right. 2. Copy the public link. 3. Share it via WhatsApp, email, social media, anywhere. Anyone with the link can fill the survey even if they don't have a Monday.com account. Step 6. View survey responses. When people submit the form, their answers will automatically appear as new rows or items in your board. 1. Go back to your main board view. 2. Each row represents one person's response. You can sort, filter, or export responses to Excel if needed. And that's it. You just created a complete survey in Monday.com using a simple form. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.